Hi everyone, I'm here to do a collective haul and unboxing of all the items I picked up. So like I said, this is a collective haul. Sorry I keep looking this way, my daughter is over there. And like I said, this is a collective haul. I purchased this I think a week or two ago, and then these I just picked up today. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and subscribe. Okay, so the first item is in this box. Yes! And then came in the receipt, and then I got some samples, perfume samples. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Which, it's kind of weird, this packaging is not very elegant, but I'm just going to take it out of the packaging and show you guys. So I got, isn't this the cutest? I got the tea set in the Mosaic collection, which is this gorgeous gold color. It's just so cute. It's a perfect espresso size. So cute. Okay, the next item is in this big shopping bag, and I'll open the smaller item first, which is in this right here, and the receipt The receipt and proof of purchase is in this right here. Isn't this so pretty? Just has Hermès printed, and it's a booklet style. Okay, so these I had ordered. That's why they're about 2 weeks apart, because they did not have this in store or in my size. So this is what they look like. You can tell that they're a pair of shoes. So it came with extra shoelaces. We have a special guest. Okay, so I got the beautiful Avantage sneakers with the gold. So this is Avalanche in gold, pretty sure. But look how gorgeous these are. Oh, I love the Hermès in the back. Yes, so pretty. And this is in Swift leather. It's very soft and smooth. Oh, it's perfect. The next item is in this big box. Can you guys guess what it is? I don't think you can guess what it is, but oh, it's so pretty. My daughter in the back. Big box. Dust bag. Has a little pillow right there. Just put this down. Okay. To reveal. Ta-da! This is the Hermès Herbag. Herbag, however you want to say it. But this is so pretty. This combo, you guys, I can't. So this combo is the Hermès Gold, which is beautiful, and the orange. This is their true orange, like their bags. Yeah. This is so pretty. And then you get the shoulder strap and the top handle. So very reminiscent of a Kelly. So pretty. And how you open it is you just pull these leather bits and you just pop it open. And then it comes with the clochette and key right here. And this is just what it looks like. But yes, what do you guys think? So I was thinking I would hold it and carry it open. Like, and then I'll just tuck this in here and carry it open like that. Very relaxed. How cute. What do you guys think? I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Please subscribe. Bye.